When the Galu is in its enraged state, it can hunt at 60% sanity and moves at 1.96 meters a second. Next up, let's talk about the Galu, because there is a lot to understand about this ghost. Let's start with its evidence: EMF 5, ultraviolet, and spirit box. The Galu has 3 different sanities and speeds that it can hunt at. When it's in its normal state, it can hunt at 50% sanity and moves at 1.7 meters per second. This is what that sounds like. When the Galu is in its enraged state, it can hunt at 60% sanity and moves at 1.96 meters a second. This is what that sounds like. And lastly, when the Galu is in its weakened state, it can hunt at 40% sanity and moves at 1.36 meters per second. And this is what that sounds like. When you start a contract, the Galu will start in its normal state, and it will cycle between its 3 states: normal, enraged, and weakened, in that order. The switch to a different state happens when the Galu steps in salt, is hit by an incense, or uses a crucifix. Once the Galu does one of those 3 things that becomes enraged, it will stay that way until the end of a hunt. While enraged, the Galu is only blinded by smudges for 4 seconds, has a decreased crucifix range of 2 meters, and will not disturb any salt that it walks over, which can be confused for a wraith. Once the hunt is over, the Galu becomes weakened. This is when it will start moving slowly during hunts, has the low hunting sanity threshold, is blinded for 6 seconds during a hunt by an incense, has an increased crucifix range of 1 meter, and it will disturb salt again.